10 right ways to make money on the internet. There's actually two different ways to make money. The first way is what's called active income. Now, active income is like you go into the 9 to 5 jobs. You have to physical show up, you have to physical do manual work to actually earn that income. And if you are not actively doing it, you are not actively earning. In the second way is what's called passive incomes. Now, Gary and a few other people have said that the passive incomes doesn't exist, but I'm actually going to prove you that it is the video that it does. Passive incomes in what you earn without doing any additional work. Now, it takes work to set up the passive income streams. Of course, it does. But the cool thing about the passive incomes is you only have to set those once, and you can continue to earn passive incomes from many months or even years to come. So in this video we are going to be counting down from the 10 to the way down to the number 10 best way to earn passive income this year in 2020, starting with number 10. Number 10 is called SMMM, or social media marketing. Because many businesses nowadays don't understand that they need to be advertising on social media and on the digital marketing to have the chance of actually competing with their competitions, and to really evolve into the digital age. And why that's important, or you can learn basic strategies to make ads like this that take 5 minutes to set up, and that's very valuable to the businesses out there, like the doctors, dentists, lawyers, real estate agents, insurance agents who have no idea how to set up the basic ads on the Facebook or the Google ad. And so what you do is you become the bridge between these old school businesses who have no idea how to set up the digital media, and you, even with the basic understanding what that you can learn from the Google or YouTube, can actually become the very valuable, helping those businesses starting running some simple Facebook or the Google ads. Number 9 is what you are watching right now, which is YouTube. Now, the cool thing about the YouTube is maybe what you might have thought that just now I can't do YouTube, or if I did, I don't know what I would make YouTube videos about, because that's such the hard questions for the most people to the answer. That means that there's a lot of the less competitions. Most people aren't willing to actually get on the camera like I am right now. Make video just this, because most people aren't willing to do what if you are willing to do, that you already have a huge over most people. And the thing is, everyone has different interests, and that's why there's so many different YouTube channels out there. There's YouTube channels about the fishing, about the cooking, about the making money online, about the parks, about the everything that you could think about. There's a YouTube channel out there's so you don't have actually start from the scratch. You can see what's already popular on YouTube, shows you what videos have the most views in the shortest time, and then you can actually just find your passions and make the similar videos with the similar titles and the similar thumbnails. And once you actually get 4,000 watch hours, which is very easy to do in a short period of the time, and 1,000 subscribers, when you can actually start to monetize your YouTube channel and get paid for every single ad that somebody views on your channel. But once you have the YouTube channel and once you have the following, you can make the money. So in so many other ways, selling merchandise, affiliate marketing with your own podcasts, or the services, e-commerce, your name in once, and you have on YouTube that you're consistent with, and the consistent put out content with the regular, regardless of how slow or fast it may take. you get to that thousands, if not the consistent, you will start to make the significant amount of the money with the YouTube channel. Number 8 is Amazon. And a lot of the people don't know, but this is the actually the significant number of the ways that you can make money on the Amazon. You can do it by the publishing the simple Kindle ebook. I know a lot of the friends who actually make the thousands of the dollars monthly passively by the identified niche on the Kindle marketplace that have more determination than they have supply, and they write the short and the simple research the Kindle ebook, and they actually capitalize on that by the selling of the $5 to $10. But once you are actually starting to get 50 to 100 sales on the month, right? Then you can make a significant amount of the passive income with no additional work. But it's not the Kindle stores. There's so many different ways to make money on the Amazon. With Amazon, who says with the FBA, right, full-time and by the Amazon creating your own private label brand, you can make money through the what's called the Amazon Associated program, which is the largest affiliate program with the entire world. You can go on to YouTube right now, type in the top 10 best DSLR cameras, and you will see the hundreds of the videos. And you might ask yourself why you're these people making all of these top 10 videos about the top 10 drops and the top cameras and the top 10 best, and I think of the reasons that they are going that it because they are actually linking their affiliate links before the best cameras, for the best drowners, for the best electronic, and then every time that somebody watch that YouTube videos, click on their links on Amazon, will actually give them 8 to 15% of each of those sales, which means that they can start to generate a significant amount of the money. If you actually look on this, look and see that some of this video have the hundreds of the thousands, if not the millions of the targeted views. Number 7 is the website called ClickBank. Now you don't know that ClickBank, it isn't of the largest affiliate networks in the world. That is the means is there the thousands of the people out there who actually put their podcasts or services or clickbait, and then affiliate marketers will actually promote to these courses, and then they get paid every single time. Every single time somebody makes sales, and so the cool thing about the ClickBank is you can actually see what products are the best selling. You can see the exactly how much each sales will generate you as the affiliate marketing, and then you can start to actually market to these products using the Facebook ads or the Google ads or the doing it for free way by the creating Instagram pages or the making YouTube videos about this. And the cool thing is you don't have to make the products, you don't have to make the landing page, and you have to do this just to drive the traffic to the proven products that you know is already selling really well. Because if it wouldn't be on the clickbait top 100 list. Number 6 is the website called Udemy. Now you to me, if you are never heard about it, is one of the largest digital courses marketplace in the entire world. They have courses about everything, about the coding, about how to speak to the new language, about Amazon, about everything that you could possibly think. There's the courses for. And the reason that is because the people are making the significant amount of the money. We actually did this, the test, the credit, the course about the ClickFunnels that was now over 2,000 reviews and has made thousands and thousands of the dollars and has earned us the hundreds of the thousands of the dollars through affiliate commissions. What people don't realize is you get paid for the course itself, but you can also include the affiliate links to the other products or services or the software that you are using the a course, and you can over times get paid more from the affiliate commissions if you're actually going to the right software. Then you can from the actual itself. But the cool part about the Udemy is the basically free traffic, right? It's just another from the people can come and find, and so we created other free Udemy courses and then dropped people to our Facebook groups, drawn people to our emails lists, to our message board, to all the different communications medium, and these are targeted buyers, right? So even though they are getting the course for free and they get affiliate commissions on the software that we show in the course, we get an affiliate commissions on the, all type of the different things that we would not otherwise get just because of the free traffic from the you to me. So you can create a course and not even charge for it and make a significant amount of the money if you are actually going with the affiliate market. And it's literally way from the starting. Number 5 is English tutor. Now, if you actually go out with a Google search how to make money as an English tutor, you will see so many different websites on there where you can earn, 18 to the 20 to dollars per hour simply by the actually tutor English. And if you speak English, if you were born in a country that speaks English as its first language, you already have a very valuable skills that thousands of the millions and the millions of the people from around the world are actually willing to pay you for. And as you get better at actually tutoring English, you will start to earn more and you will get more opportunities. Sometimes you can actually have the provide lessons with a single person who will pay you significantly more than the kind of the base of the rate. That's how you can really start to make significant amount of the money from being an English tutor online. Number 4, we will get Number 4, we will get into the second, but if you are enjoying this video, do me a favor and tap the like button for the YouTube algorithms, right? It really helps us to show these videos to the more people, and it's super easy to do. You don't have to do it if you don't want, but I would appreciate it if you haven't already. Make sure that you tap the subscribe bell, turn on notifications so that you will be the first person to know whenever we drop a brand new video just like this. And do me a last favor, comment down below the passive incomes if we get 500 comments, and let's say the passive incomes, then we will release the completely free course that teaches you in a lot more depths number 1 way to actually start making full-time income online from the home. And so numbers of the 4 is called Rover. Now, I have a lot of the friends who are actually still to this day to do Rover just because they love the actually doing kids. What's Rover is you actually take care of the people dogs while they go on the vacations or work trip or whatever, because a lot of the people don't want to take their dogs to more experience needs where their dogs is just with a bunch of the other dogs and not a necessarily trend that well they'd rather take to the specific person who love dogs. And still to this day I have friends who do Rover and make the extra $100 $200 just to babysit awesome fun cute catty dogs for a night. And I would honestly do that for free in most cases. Unfortunately, Rover is only available in the US and in Canada for now, but I'm sure it will be started to expand to the other countries very shortly. And I know knows maybe if you are in other country, they already have the services just like Rover, or you they don't, it might be a good opportunity for you to go out and create a number 3 is website called The Lessons. Now The Lessons is the websites where you can I guess it's the lessons to people around how to do if you know how to play the musical instruments. if you know how to do math really well, if you know about geography or English or any number of the things, you can get paid. The tutor people in the skill sets that you personally have. The number two is online flipping. Now, online flipping, we talked about the number of the times in the number of the different videos I've made, but it's really good way to start making money with the zero money to start, right? And so how this works, if you go out on the website via the Craigslist and filter to the free sections of the Facebook Marketplace, you can do the some things or offer up to or let go, and you will find the highly valuable items like the applications or the supporting equipments or things that can actually sell, and then take better pictures. And if you recite those same products that you actually got from free for $400 or $50, $100, you can actually also list on sites on eBay and Etsy and Amazon to sell them used, and you can start to earn significant amount of the money doing that, because the thing is that you get those products for free when people are like moving and just want to get rid of their stuff. If you sell it around anything that it's 100% profit, and once you actually start making money like that, you can reinvest into more full income streams, so like Amazon or social media marketing, or there's something that you can really scale from your computers at home. And the number of best way to make the passive incomes online is Upwork and Fiverr. And the reasons I say, I know this probably mentioned in a lot of the videos, if you can literally do anything, you can sign up as the visual assistants or the creatively on the expressive assistants, and you can just do the customer service or the whatever the person who actually hires you needs to go to. And if you're an entrepreneur individual, you can start by to make money literally from your house as soon as today, just by offering your services as the virtual assistants, or if you have more specialized skills like the software developer, or you can create a website, or any numbers of the things, you create the gig on Fiverr, or you can list those skills up to the work, and you can start to actually become what's called a freelancer, where you're able to work from home, do things that you want to do, have more financial freedom in your life. And if you enjoyed this video, we have the brand new playlist of the videos showing up even more in the depths how to make money online working from home, coming in your life in the 3 2 1. See you there.